Very good morning. Day 24 it is, and I'm leaving Vicuña, McKenna, and go direction Villa Mercedes. But Villa Mercedes is about, I think, 75 miles from here, so I'm hoping to be able to camp somewhere in between in the wilderness of Argentina. So yeah, I'm a bit nervous, but it's always just doing it, and mostly it's not as bad as you imagine it. So yeah, let's go and see first of all if I can run 35 miles, and then if I can find a nice place to sleep. And yeah, I have more than 10 liters of water and not too much food, but I think should be okay for reaching for 2 days, I hope. And otherwise I'm a bit hungry, and yeah, let's just see what's out there. So I was able to start around 6 because I had to do the Insta, but now we're leaving Vicuña, McKenna. Feliz viaje. Okay, let's have one. A nice journey. Yeah, so I'm kind of glad this gas station had open. So it's only almost 2 miles in, but I don't know when I'm gonna see the next store, and I just didn't have all that much of food, and I already am hungry, so it's good to just have enough that when I'm hungry that I can eat, because otherwise the running will be difficult. Not very good food, but I'm in Villa Mercedes. I hopefully get some good food again. So let's go, about 33. So the second estazione de viaje. I think I'm gonna ask her like where the next station is. How many kilometers, just to know. And yeah, that's a good way to start today, going through a little gate like this. Oh. Hola. Yeah, so this is beautiful. 8 miles in. I have 2 lanes. There's 2 lanes. So finally, it's not so narrow anymore. And for a little bit, anyways. And it's quite tranquilo. Oh, there's some cars, of course. And it's Monday morning. So yeah, very nice starting to the week. I like it. So after some uphill running, now some downhill. So almost 9 miles. Yeah, and this is still quiet. And it's still nice and cool. I didn't sweat, or I haven't sweated as much at all like the last 2 days. It's definitely getting hot, but I'm just gonna move slowly because I am not in any hurry, which helps. Yeah, eating, drinking, being easy. That's it. Yeah, it's pretty extremely quiet this morning, so it's nice because it's a paved road. I don't know. yeah, so 16 miles, and I'm already wondering if there's any shade at mile 35 for us to pitch the tent and relax and to get prepared for tomorrow. Yeah, let's just take one step at a time. That's how it goes, I guess. So almost 18 miles, and there is a gate to my right. You can't see it, but it does say Bienvenido a Washington. So I guess we're passing Washington, and yeah, I think I'm gonna take a break here in the shade, and we'll then move on. I think behind this estación de servicio board, there's a good place for me. Sit and wait. Hello, it is about 10:30ish. It's hot already. Halfway of the run done, 18 miles. And yeah, today I just prioritize being safe on the road and not actually overheating. No, I think yeah, I'm considering to walk a little bit today because I'm absolutely not in a hurry. But yeah, I will kind of run easy as far as I can, and then I will find a nice place of shade to pitch my tent. Whew, we have 22 miles only, and I'm just taking advantage of any shade here because it is hot. I think I only run about 4 more miles and then sleep a bit under a tree and then continue in the evening for the second part because this is too hot, and I think a siesta would come in handy. Here we are. This is beautiful. In Argentina you really learn to appreciate shade in a different way, and this is so beautiful. I'm just gonna probably sit here for about an hour and just there's a horse. Oh, maybe it comes and says hi. Hi. And yeah, of course birds. Yeah, just perfect place, a little breeze. I'm gonna take a good rest here and then do the next 9-ish miles or so. So after a short siesta, just laying here and relaxing and making actually a couple of WhatsApp phone calls, which is nice. I'm preparing now some cold instant coffee before I will do my last 8 miles because I'm a bit tired, but this will get me through. So we have some instant coffee, we have some warm water. It's not as warm as yesterday. And here we are, nice coffee. I love it. So fast made, and it's good too. I really enjoy that. I have with it some collection variety cookies, surtidas from Argentina, and what's better than coffee and cookies? Yeah, just wanted to show you that I have every now and then a cold, somewhat warm coffee. Hot day, and as always, and yeah, I was struggling a bit at mile 24. Almost wanted to take a nap. Then I thought, oh, come do 2 or 3 more miles, and so then I continued, and then I saw a guy trying to put his spare wheel on and had some problems, so I think we now fixed it, but think it took at least an hour or 1.5 hours. So, but yeah, now it works. Walter is happy. It was all hermoso after all. But yeah, weren't really able to communicate. But that's not what's needed. It just have to figure out a way of how to get that thing on. And finally it worked, finally. But yeah, he worked up his sweat. Whew. I mean, me too, but not quite like he did. But yeah, it is hot. So, if I'm not deceived, I'm gonna take a break in these upcoming trees. Trees. So just an add-on, I think I'm at mile 26 now. And yeah, here, interestingly, on this board it says Pionero, General Pionero in 22 kilometers. It looks very small on the map, and Angel yesterday told me that there's no houses or no people left in the town, so I'm not really sure if I need to go there. But we will find out. Oh, here we are, mile 29. Oh, I need to cool off. Oh. Yeah, it is hot. I think I need to wait another hour. It's too hot to run. And I just need to stay in the shade. Whew. Yeah, running in the heat can be a struggle. But I knew that. And that's just figuring out a strategy of how to deal with it. But you know, in about 2 hours or so, I'm in my tent. Maybe in 3, whatever. Tent, sleeping. Oh, I always, when I think, you know, in a couple hours I can sleep, everything I can endure. So yes, it is about 35 to 36, probably hotter here on the road, and degrees, and it's so hot that like the last 2 miles when I ran, I really almost, I mean, you know, you can run efficiently somewhat, but this would be too much. So this is my first walking, you know, choosing to walk for a couple of miles, because I guess you can do that on your run, and why not? It's actually beautiful. I feel a little bit of a breeze. I'm joking. I guess I'm joking. There's no breeze at all. But yeah, I'm just looking forward to camp somewhere where there is a breeze. And maybe we should guess together what's behind that horizon. Do you think there will be trees? Well, we'll see how far in the distance they are. Woo! So it has taken me a bit longer than you to find out what's behind that horizon. Yeah, trees in the far distance, and actually it goes downhill, but you know, I'm honestly just gonna walk for about an hour probably, and then I'll call it a day. Over here on the right there would be a nice place with trees to camp, but I think if I just walk for about an hour, I should be alright. So I have been walking for 6 miles now, and it's enough. And I guess you can see on the right one tree, and on the left a bit further down, a cluster of trees. I can see these trees for a long time, probably 40 minutes, and now I'm approaching them. And I'll make a hotel under one of these trees for myself, camping there, and I think that's good. Yeah, I had a bit of a bout of sadness the last couple of miles. Cried, it was good. Sometimes you just have to get that out, and feels good, and still sad, but it's good to have cried about it. And yeah, that's interesting. Under this tree to our right, there's a little house. Is there a dog? I know that. I'm sure it's like an altar. Yeah, there you go there. So they cluster trees. There's a house too. I hope there's no fence around it. So in the worst case, I have to come back to this tree. But I think these trees up there look perfect for a night to camp. Okay, last little movie for today. My tent is set up. I'm now gonna have some beans with the salted peanuts and crackers. Tomorrow I have to do the water Gatorade mix, and the buggy I have to store somewhere else. Yeah, thanks very much for joining this day with me. Yeah, there was really no way of running this last stretch. I am tired, and all I'm looking forward to is eating and sleeping. And yeah, thanks for joining the journey. And if you're interested in checking out any of my other videos, please do so. They're up in the corners. Let's just see. Tomorrow I think it's another 35 miles. I'm gonna have an early start, definitely. Enjoy the cool morning somewhat, because I think it should get up to 37 even, and 39 in 2 days. So yeah, it's a heat wave in Argentina, but I love it. And I just need to be clever, smart, because yeah, otherwise it's not gonna be good. So thanks for joining the journey, and dream big too, my friends.